Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Redmi phone guys brightness problem, how to solve and fix. Friends, you have brightness problem on your Redmi mobile, so friends how to fix and solve brightness problem. In this video friends we will talk about one by one, step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, first of all open your phone setting to fix brightness problem. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Redmi mobile. Friends, click on Redmi mobile display setting. After on display setting friends, you can see light mode setting, dark mode. Friends, you want to enable dark mode on your device, friends right click and dark mode will enable on your device. And if you click friends left side, so light mode will enable. So friends, click here brightness level setting. And guys, and friends, on your Redmi mobile by mistake you have on your automatic brightness setting, so you will have to disable your automatic brightness setting, and guys your problem will solve. Friends, your brightness will not increase and decrease automatic on your Redmi mobile. Friends, you can check. Friends, you can increase brightness will not decrease automatic on your device. Friends, again if you on automatic brightness friends, you can see brightness I have increased full. When I will on, brightness will decrease automatic. Friends, you can check. After increase brightness, if you on automatic brightness will decrease automatic, increase automatic according to your environment. So friends, off your auto brightness, disable your auto brightness, and you can increase your brightness without any problem. And friends, you can see sunlight mode is here. If you want to use sunlight mode setting, you can on sunlight mode setting and you can off from here. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to fix and solve automatic brightness increase and decrease problem on Redmi mobile. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.